You've probably heard the word formula before. In mathematics, a formula is a special type of equation because a formula links several pronumerals together, and it makes a recipe that can be applied again and again. In the grey box, here's a formula. It's a formula for calculating the volume of a rugby ball. Now, volume is the internal 3D space. A formula works by inputting values. So if I know the length of the football, that's this distance here, and I know the width of the football, that's this distance across here, then I can input those values plus use the value of pi, multiply them all together, square them and divide them by 6, and then I have calculated the volume of the football. Truly, this formula is quite complex. I'm going to stop, take a step back, show you how to use a formula you already know. The formula we'll use is area of a triangle, which is area equals base times height over 2. There are only two things you can do with a formula. Either you're given all the information to input values from the right-hand side, allowing you to work out the answer to the left-hand side, or you're told this value to input on the left-hand side, and you're told this value to input on the right-hand side, leaving you with one pronumeral that's unknown on the right-hand side, in which case this is the one you would need to solve. This requires solving an equation, which is the skill we've just been practicing. So let's use a simple formula and see how we can apply it both ways. Let's solve these two questions now. Same formula, but in type A, the value for A is given in the question. Use A to work out U. In type B, the value for U is given in the question. Balance the equation to solve for A. First step, type A. Write down the rule. Step 2. Substitute in the known value. A is the value of 2. Then follow order of operations to work out the value of U. Therefore, when A equals 2, U equals 20. Type B. First step, write down the rule. Step 2. Substitute in the known values. On the left-hand side, U equals 28. And on the right-hand side, A is unknown. Balance the equation to solve for A. First step, subtract 4 left, subtract 4 right. New equation, 24 equals 8A. Next step, divide by 8 left and right, and 3 on the left and A on the right. Therefore, when U equals 28, A equals 3.